There we go.
How's the trip so far?
Good. A lot of traffic. I've been on the road Fridays. It must be you.
First stop, Love's. What do you like best about Love's? The hot dogs.
No. Can you tell the audience how long has it been since you had fast food?
Mid-2023.
Sorry to do this to you.
It's your truck. Windshield washer. No, when you stop here, you gotta clean your windshield like a trucker. And then your windshield is perfectly clean, but your truck is all dirty now. And now we're in Oklahoma, where there ain't no love, apparently. That's how that song goes. I don't know exactly what that means. Day 1 just ended. No, it didn't yet. There's another 4 hours, 7 minutes left to drive.
But the Wi-Fi is so weak on my phone, we gotta start uploading the video now.
Whoa, okay. Damn, there's 4 more hours to go, and it's night already. Woof.